Aiboan, welcome to Eash Kitchen. Today we are going to cook authentic black pork curry in Sri Lankan style. I hope you will enjoy this cooking program. And please follow my video and cheers to all pork lovers. So let's add the curry powder. Turmeric, we call yellow powder, and chili powder, salt to taste, black pepper, and most important the eashkitchen curry powder. And also you can add the onion same time, and chili and garlic and ginger paste. Curry leaf, lemongrass, and we call Rampe. And you have to marinate well. Okay, let's add the water, around 2 cups of water. Okay, today we are cooking on a different atmosphere, middle of a village and in a village kitchen. So you can see the difference on the day-to-day cooking and today's cooking. Okay, let's add Goraka for the curry. Then cook for 15 minutes. Okay, let's add the cardamom and clove. You can see getting ready slowly by slowly. Okay, until this cook, we'll temper the coconut now. Let's temper the coconut. You can see getting brown slowly. Once get golden color, we'll remove from the burner. Now we're going to remove from the burner. It'll be a small technique. Okay, let's grind the coconut till get powder. This will be the grinding coconut. Okay, let's check the pork. Wow, delicious smell. I can see it's cooking slowly, getting ready. All my friends are looking around to taste this. Okay, we have to cook at least another 8 minutes. It's allowed to cook slowly. Okay, let's check the pork again. Yeah, it's almost another 3 minutes. Let's close and keep for another 3 minutes. Now it's almost cooked. Let's add the coconut. After you add the coconut, you have to cook for 2 minutes in the low heat. Wow, perfect. It's cooked properly. So let's remove from the burner. We'll close and keep for few minutes to absorb all the flavor. The pork is ready. Then let's serve to the platter. It's ideal to have it roast bread or string hoppers. The excellent black pork curry. So my friends, I hope you will enjoy the Sri Lankan type black pork curry, and please try this out with your loved ones at home, and please follow me on Instagram and subscribe me on YouTube. See you soon with another authentic cooking program.